Here's my husband. He wants to do his twerking again.
I know you love this part, honey.
I love it. Go for it.
Everyone's dying to see it, so.
Twerk it,
Come on,
baby.
everybody, put your hands down there.
Twerk it, baby.
Twerk it. I got
Twerk
more action,
it.
honey. I got more action.
Get your milkshake. Hey everybody, welcome to the Greens Hilltop Homestead. Today we're going to do a blueberry update. Let's get to it. Okay, right here we have Tifblue. I have 5 Tifblues going up the row. These are my latest blueberries. As you can see, look at all these blueberries on here. This is a great blueberry for a late harvest, and it's a Rabbiteye, and Rabbiteyes do wonderful here. Look at this one. It's doing great. You got blueberries all up in there. This is a Tifblue, and there's not much going on it, so who knows? Yeah, I don't see much of anything on that one. And this one either. There's some in there actually. But this one really chose to bush out. So I don't know if I put too much like fertilizer, manure on it, and it just decided to spend all its energy leafing out. After the Tifblue, this one is Delight. I have 2 Delights right here. Delight is a Rabbiteye. And as you can see, Delight is doing really good too. And then we come on to the next one and we have Columbus. As we come up the row, they're newer and newer plants, so you're going to have less and less blueberries. And that's Columbus, and this one is Emerald. Emerald's looking good. And then as you could see here, we have Blue Jay and Blue Crop. Those are not Rabbiteyes, and I planted them a couple years ago. And the tops died, and I haven't gotten a single blueberry off either one. So if you're in Tennessee or if you're in the South, stick to the Rabbiteye. They are doing so good, there's no reason to even plant other ones. And these are my 2 new ones. These are, I believe these are Krewer. Yeah, Krewer, I see the tag right there. I didn't add those to my list yet. In this row, we have 5 Climaxes. So this is the Climax blueberry. This one has done very good too. We'll come up the row. We have 5 of them. As you can see, they're all doing great. Here we have 2 bright blue. These are all Rabbiteye. This is doing good too. The only ones that I have that are not Rabbiteye are those 2 over there. And I'm glad. And then all here is Krewer. And there might be a Titan in here. But these are all our babies that we just planted. So those need some growing to do. This is row 3. We actually have 3 more Tifblues. So like that first row. Up here we have Titan. Titan is Krewer and Titan are like those really big blueberries that are like quarter size. And they're really good too. And you can see how much bigger they are than the other ones already. This is an Austin. And then these 2, I have no idea what they are. But I know they're Rabbiteye. But I don't know which ones they are. I have some guesses. And then up here is Titan. And these are ones we just planted. They're already looking good. Rabbiteye blueberries do great here in the south with the heat and the humidity. If you're in the south, this is the only blueberry to plant. I wouldn't even bother with any of the other ones. I planted more than one type of blueberry, so I have different types of rabbiteyes because it's good for pollination. When you have different types, you get higher yields because they can pollinate each other better, and that works out a whole lot better than having all the same kind. Blueberries like acidic soil, so when we planted this, we did some pine, pine mulch. We did pine mulch on top that we got from a tree company. Luckily, there was one across the street that was chopping all kinds of pine trees down, so that they really seem to like that. And we use the peat moss, which acidifies the soil when we're planting them. And we kind of put them on a little hill, and that works for us here too. But and the wood chips also keep moisture on top of them, so you don't lose all of your moisture. If birds don't beat us to it, we should have a good harvest coming soon. I'll go ahead and video that when we're harvesting blueberries, and you can see how much we get. If I had to plant all over again here in Tennessee, I really wouldn't do much different. Our blueberries are flourishing, they're doing so good. I would definitely wouldn't even plant anything but rabbiteye. I would just stick with the rabbiteye because they just do so good here. And as you can see from the results, and we'll continue to show our results as they get bigger, they're still all relatively new. So we're excited to see what we can get going out here. And maybe I'll weigh them all to see how many pounds we get. That would be neat. If you enjoy fruit growing and real results, especially here in Tennessee where we're at, go ahead and follow us. We have all kinds of things. We have kiwis we're trying, we have apples, we have mulberries. We have all kinds of stuff we're trying out here to see what works. So follow us and subscribe and come along with us on the journey. If you enjoyed our video on blueberries, put a comment down below, ask us any questions, or give us any advice. Thanks. Here's my husband. He wants to do his twerking again.
I know you love this part, honey.
I love it. Go for it.
Everyone's dying to see it, so.
Twerk it, baby.
Come on, everybody, put your hands down there and
Twerk it, baby.
twerk it. I got
Twerk
more action,
it.
honey. I got more action.
Get your milkshake.